everyone, I am Deepjyoti. I welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how I make digital notes on my iPad. In one of my previous study vlog videos, Anurup commented me to make a video on this topic. So here it is. So let's start with the device I use for note taking. I use the iPad Air 4 2020. It has 64 GB and is equipped with the latest A14 Bionic processor. It is very powerful and efficient. To complement it, I also use the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. I got this device from the Apple India store availing the student benefit discounts. Alright, now let's start with the note making process. So, the app that I use for note taking is Microsoft OneNote. There are two main reasons why I prefer Microsoft OneNote. Number one, it is completely free to download, and number two, I can access these notes in my PC as well. It is very versatile in nature and offers a lot of customization features as well. Now, let me explain the overall layout of Microsoft OneNote in brief. So, it is divided into notebooks and sections, and under each section you can have infinite number of pages. For illustration purpose, now I will make a new section and name it as example. Now under the section example, a new page has been created. I will rename it as, let's say, chapter 1. Now I will explain the major features in brief so that it becomes crisp and clear on how I use this app for digital note making. The first feature is the paper color. After creating a page, you can select any color you wish. I will go for yellow. Next is the paper style. You can choose either ruled lines or grid style. Personally, I prefer the ruled lines. Let's write something. To do so, go over the draw option and you will find number of pens and highlighters as well. Having the option to choose different pens and highlighters of different colors is really helpful. I need not to worry about buying different pens and highlighters and could save money from buying stationery items as well. The next best feature about Microsoft OneNote is the palm rejection feature. It helps me in writing the notes smoothly. While writing notes, if I accidentally rest my palm over the screen, it will have no impact. Rather, it will just select the pens or the pencil's input. Further, if you wish to draw with your fingers, you can also do that, but it won't be as accurate as the stylus or the pencil. While choosing a pen or highlighter, you can select different width of thickness. I will show you different types of thickness for your reference. I would like to mention about a feature of Apple Pencil. It is the double tap feature. It helps me in choosing the eraser very quickly. This comes really handy when I am taking notes quickly. And double tapping it again, it will go back to your original pen or highlighter option. Now let's see how I import any documents. Go to PDF option and then select the PDF which you want to print it out. I would like to mention that you will not be able to print any docs or the Microsoft Word document. It will just add a link to it. It has to be in PDF format. Now I can highlight, underline or annotate according to my needs. The next feature is audio recording. I use this feature extensively during a class. Whenever I feel that I am tired of writing notes, so I'll just record the audio lectures of my professor. Here is an example. This is the notes on the chapter World Bank. I was writing this paragraph and then I felt I just need to record the audio file. I can play this audio file anytime I want for any kind of future reference. Now let's come to the next feature, that is importing any online pictures. I often add pictures related to my notes. It is a fact that our brain tends to process infographics more than our handwritten notes. Here I searched Indian Parliament online and will choose this picture. Just click it and it will add over the document. Now you can drag it to any location you desire. Also, you can resize it according to the need. Now let's come to the next feature, that is drawing shapes. You can choose the shape option tool and draw any shape. Now I will draw a graph. The shape tool comes really handy while making any diagrams. I'm sure it will be very useful if you are belonging to a medical or engineering field or any other stream wherever you need to draw many diagrams. Since I am from a political science background, there are very limited diagrams I need to make, but I often use this shape tool to draw flowcharts for my revision purposes. If you can't make the shapes proper, then don't worry, the iPad will do the tasks for you. The next feature is the lasso tool. You can use this tool to select any object and drag it at your desired location. So these were some features of Microsoft OneNote. Now I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks while I'm taking notes. Let's presume that I am taking notes in a class and now I have to import a picture, but also I don't want to quit this app, so what I will do? Well, here the split screen feature comes handy. I will simply drag my browser into one corner of the screen and it will open. Now I can easily search the required picture and import it into my notes. Let's assume that I want to select this newspaper snippet, so I will just drag and drop it to my notes. It is very simple and convenient as well. Now I can do whatever I want, like resize it, drag it to another location or annotate over it. Similarly, I can drag YouTube also and watch a video lecture and simultaneously take notes. Also, if you feel that there is no space between the lines, you can add space according to your needs. One big advantage of taking notes digitally is that I can save my notes into my cloud and can access it whenever I want to another device. Plus, I need not to worry about buying costly books and pay huge amounts. Rather, I will just find the relevant PDFs online and import it. In this way, I can annotate and study as well. Now, let's come to the last but not the least feature, that is the universal search feature. This feature helps me in finding the relevant content whenever I am revising the things. It comes really handy while I am revising during an exam. I can save valuable time and need not to search through notebooks for just a piece of information. Rather, I will just input that keyword into the search function and it will do the job for me. Here in this example, I searched the word globalization and it found all the instances where I have used the word. So that's all regarding the digital note making process. I hope you liked it. In the end, I will attach some snapshots of my notes so that you can refer how I make my notes. If you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay happy.